Hi everyone, this is Sarah and welcome to my 50 Christmas Crafts series for 2019. I'll be showing you how to make 50 different Christmas crafts this year, and I hope you'll be back for all of them because we'll be having a lot of fun. Today I'm making this cute lantern from a candy dish, a votive holder, and a candlestick from Dollar Tree. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button below. If you know anyone that would like this video or my channel, please share this link because every view and every subscriber really helps enable me to keep creating videos for you. And if you'd like to see more of what I do, you can follow me on Instagram or take a look at my blog. I also have a Facebook group if you'd like to share all the wonderful things you make. The links to all of these are in the description below. For today's project, the main things we are going to need from Dollar Tree are this plastic candy dish, which you can get over in the party section, a glass candlestick, one of these glass votive holders, and an LED candle. And this is just one of the tea lights. The first thing that I'm going to do is paint the glass candlestick and the lid of the candy dish, as well as this bottom rim down here, with my Waverly black chalk paint. And the reason I like using chalk paint is it's a little bit thicker and it adheres a lot better to glass, plastic, metal, that type of surface that's shiny and doesn't grip. It also has a lot better coverage than some of the thinner paints. Now that I have all my pieces painted with 2 coats of my ink Waverly chalk paint, I'm going to start assembling my lantern. And the first thing that I'm going to do is attach the bottom of the candy dish to my candlestick here. And I'm just using hot glue. I'm just going to set that right over the top and let that hot glue harden and set up for just a moment. And then what you have is a piece that looks just like this. I also decided to paint my votive holder black, and what I'm going to do now is glue it here to the inside, and I'm just going to add some hot glue around the outer rim here because I want it upside down on here. Right, and then I'm just going to place it right down there in the middle. And now the base and the basic portion of our miniature lantern is set up. Once you put the lid on, you have your lantern. Now we're going to start decorating. Now I have some different items that I've picked out from Dollar Tree in order to finish decorating my lamp, and I have some of the wired greenery stems. I have some of this snow-covered willow, and I have some various berries and pine cones, as well as some of these balls that you can pick up over in the gardening section, and just all the items I'll be using to decorate this have come from Dollar Tree, except for this rusty bell, which I did pick up in a set at Hobby Lobby when it was half off. So now I'm going to go ahead and just start playing around and designing how I want the decorations to look on my lamp.
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack, your cream, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know.
Now that I have the decorations laid out around the front of my lantern, all I need to do is take my tea light, turn it on, and place it there on top of my upside down votive holder. Place the lid on top, and our lantern is finished. Here is the finished lantern I have setting up on my mantle, and I absolutely love the way it came out. It is so stinking cute, and I absolutely love the snowy willow branches and the pine cones on this. I think black was the perfect color to paint this, and even that rusty bell just sets it off. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you soon for the next video. Bye-bye. If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.